I just gonna say to everyone who were followers of Danmar Dayaw, who were Marcos loyalists, Danmar, stop using Cedric Mariano to politicalize even Kuya Rodelio Daguman, even the other people who were autism. Do not start politicalize. Look at Roylan Marlang. Oh, Roylan Marlang, he's retired on posting politics like Facebook and TikTok. Remember, stop politicalize Kuya Rodelio Daguman. Like I said before, I chat Jardino, even Denzel Joshua. Oh, that Danmar Dayaw should stop talking about politics. Like Miggy Labitag says, oh, can you tell him to shut up? Oh, that's a word. Sorry for my word, it's not me, It's describing you, Kuya Danmar Dayaw. Oh, do not talk about politics, Danmar. When you ever talked about politics, oh, do not talk about politics. Even to the others who were Marcos loyalists like Romeo TV Vlogs, Angkay Janjan, Nino Bersaga, do not talk about politics. Do not politicalize against Kuya Rodelio Daguman. All of you, you're politicalized against Cedric Mariano to attack Kuya Rodelio Daguman. What does problem about Kuya Rodelio Daguman if he's an anti-Marcos? If he's a pro-Sara Duterte, if he's a pro-Rodrigo Duterte, what's the problem of the person who didn't know what's really happened is? Let's stop this politicalize. Anyway, remember, just like I said before, I do not talk about politics. Oh, I do not talk about politics in to cerebral palsy. If you watch Magpakailanman, Kuya Danmar Dayaw, you know about Jane Borreger. Oh, she's not Philippine. She's not German. She's not German. She's a Filipino. Oh, she's a Filipino. She is a mother, has a son who's a cerebral palsy. Like me, I do not talk about politics, Kuya Danmar Dayaw. When I even talk to Lawrence Villawan about what is that in English? I said, when is the time you sold the PS4? Kailan mo yan binenta ang PS4 mo? I say to Lawrence Villawan. Oh, he said to me last 2024, noong 2024, oh, we talk about positive. And we do not talk about politics. Oh, like you, Kuya Danmar Dayaw, when you talk about politics, like you're saying about if you love Bongbong Marcos, even Sangkay Janjan, Romeo TV Vlog, and Nino Bersaga, all of you love Bongbong Marcos. Please, all of you, to all of the idiot Marcos loyalists, do not politicalize against Cedric Mariano, Kuya Rodelio Daguman. Do not talk about politics. That's why we ruin our reputation, like the autism, ADHD, even dyslexia, and even many more. I was told by J. Rick Silva, oh, we do not talk about politics. Cerebral palsy, I say again, Kuya Danmar Dayaw, are non-partisan. They are non-partisan. That means they are not related to politics. They are not related to political or local politics in the Philippines. They are not related to political. Oh, like Nanay Ningning. Oh, she's non-political. Oh, because we're placed in Germany, non-political. Oh, you, Danmar, well, you're here in the Philippines. You talk about politics, you talk about Bongbong Marcos. Please, enough about Bongbong Marcos, Kuya Dan Mardayaw. Enough about politics. That's why, like I said before, lahat ang mga autism umiiwas sa'yo. Like I say to you, Kuya Danmar, you have to stop about politics. Look at Teacher Jessa Fernandez. Oh, she's not related to politics. If she's anti-Marcos, if she's a pro-Rodrigo Duterte, if she's a pro-Sara Duterte, she has her own opinion. She has opinion that she has her own opinion. Her kids are non-political. Her children are non-political. Oh. You, Kuya Danmar, why you mention about you love Bongbong Marcos? Can you please, Kuya Danmar? Like I said before, I know you like to post in TikTok about Eat Bulaga. I know you're a fan of TVJ, but my suggestion anyway, do not talk about politics over at Kuya Rodelio Daguman. And do not politicalize Cedric Mariano. Cedric Mariano and Kuya Rodelio Daguman are non-political. They are non-partisan. If I say again, if Cedric Mariano is anti-Marcos, if he's a pro-Sara Duterte, if he's a pro-Rodrigo Duterte, oh, he has his own opinion. He is really affiliated in the politics, but he's not affiliated to political. He's non-political. Oh. And Kuya Rodelio Daguman is not related to politics. He's a non-political and is not related to the politics and is not affiliated with the politics. And Kuya Rodelio Daguman, if he's an anti-Marcos, if he's a pro-Sara Duterte and pro-Rodrigo Duterte, just let him be. Oh, do not talk about politics. Even for Cedric Mariano, just let him be. If he's a pro-Sara Duterte, if he's a pro-Rodrigo Duterte, if he has a right thing to his own opinion, that he's an anti-Marcos too, just let him be. Let him be also too. So let them be. Mabayaan mo sila, like I said, Danmar. Do not talk about politics.